In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your account passwords in Bitwarden, all in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Bitwarden, it's a robust password manager designed to help keep your digital life organized and secure. Changing your master password in Bitwarden is an essential part of maintaining your account security, especially if you suspect that your password might be compromised or if it's simply time for an update. So, let's dive straight into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to the Bitwarden website. You can do this by simply typing Bitwarden into your browser and accessing their homepage. Once you're there, you're going to look for the Login button. It's typically located on the top right corner of the screen. Click on this to enter your login information. Now, once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll be directed to your Bitwarden vault. This is essentially your password storage area where all your information is held securely. Now, from within your vault, find and click on the Settings tab. This is where you'll control various aspects of your Bitwarden account. Inside the settings, find the Security section. Clicking on this will lead you to a range of security options, allowing you to manage and enhance the protection of your information. This is where you'll focus on changing your master password. Beneath Security, you'll see the Master Password option. Once you've clicked on Master Password, you'll be presented with an option to change Master Password. Now, before you proceed, it's crucial to remember that your master password should be strong and unique. Ideally, it would consist of a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure maximum security. Always avoid using easily guessable information, such as birthdays or common words. After deciding on your new password, you'll be prompted to input your current master password followed by the new password you've chosen. You'll need to enter the new password twice to confirm that there are no typos. Once everything looks good, proceed to confirm the change. It's really that simple. You've now successfully changed your master password in Bitwarden. Remember, changing your passwords periodically is a great habit to ensure your accounts remain secure. Bitwarden might send you a confirmation email about the change. Make sure you check your inbox to confirm that the update was successful. And that's all there is to it. By dedicating just a few minutes to this process, you've taken a significant step towards enhancing your online security. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Stay secure and have a great day.